And we're back to learning Illustrator in the year day 84. Let me show you how you can apply a gradient to a stroke. So by default, when you left click here with the gradient tool, you will just apply it to the fill. Let me get rid of the stroke here. One way to apply it is to flip the colors with the double arrow down there. And then let me increase the stroke weight and you can see it. So now the gradient was added to the stroke, not a fill. But you can also open on the window the gradient menu, and you can see these two swatches again. They're a little bit smaller here in the menu, but you can left click on them and bring the background to the forefront. So in this case, the stroke is in the background. I'll make this bluish gradient. Let me increase the weight and you can see that. And now the scale is this bluish to white gradient, and we can adjust the stroke gradient just like we adjusted the fill gradient. Again, simply make sure that the swatch that is in the foreground is the stroke, and then the scale should change. And when you want to adjust the fill gradient again, left click on the little swatch once more, bring the fill to front, the scale should change, and then you can change the colors, for example, for the fill. And this is how you can apply a gradient to a stroke in Illustrator. I hope this video was helpful, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.